Hey y'all, happy Easter. So I am getting right into this video. I'm starting off with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Chestnut with my BS Small flat brush that I got off of Amazon. And by the way, I did prime my face, so I primed with the Smashbox Poreless primer. It's the one in the purple tube. And anyways, I'm just going to start off with my foundation and just buff that into my skin. I am now taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand and just highlighting all the areas that I feel like I need some highlighting done to my face. So I'm doing my under eye, my nose, the area in between my nose and my mouth, my chin, and my forehead. And I'm just going to blend it in with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder with my BS Small tapered brush, and I'm just going to set that into my skin, and this is just going to make sure that my foundation and my under eye highlight lasts all freaking day, because you know I am going out to eat with my family and I just want to make sure that my foundation lasts all day. And then I'm going to wipe that away with my It Cosmetics Chic powder brush because I do not want any excess powder lurking onto my skin. I do not want to be ashy, but I do want to be set, but I don't want to be ashy. But moving on, I'm taking my Lorac POREfessional powder in PF6 with my Face Secrets brush by, I literally got it at Sally Beauty Supply. It was so cheap, but I do forget the price. But it was very, very, very affordable. But I am setting the rest of my face. And then I'm taking my e.l.f. setting spray and just setting my face with that. Moving on, I'm taking my Becca Cosmetics highlight in the shade Topaz and with this fan brush from Royale and Lang Nickel by Moda Beauty and just applying that to my cheekbones, my nose, and I actually applied some to my forehead today. Now I am magically just going to, with a snap of a finger, apply my brows. So now I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to prime my eyes. This is the same one that we use for our face highlight. And I'm just going to set that with the Sacha Buttercup powder. I am now moving on to the Morphe 25B palette with that orangey brown shade and popping that into my crease for a transition color. And moving on, I'm taking that darker brown shade and doing the same exact thing. This is going to deepen things up, and this is the Morphe 330 brush. Now I'm taking this nice foiled brown shade and popping that right into the center of my lid. I'm going to do a nice soft halo eye, if that makes any sense. And then I'm taking that nice champagne color from the same palette and popping that right into the very, very, very center. Now to add a pop of color, I'm going into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics and taking that nice bright blue shade and just going in with my lower lash line. And then after that, I'm taking that nice lilac-y purple and going right next to that blue shade. And then after that, I'm going to take that yellow shade and pop that right into my inner corner just to add a nice pop of color. This is what makes the Easter look, you know what I mean? So I'm moving on with my matte liner by NYX and just lining my eyes. I'm not doing a wing because I want to keep it simple. Even though I do have a pop of color, I still want to keep it simple. And then I went ahead and applied some lashes. These are the Ardell Faux Mink lashes in 810. And then I'm applying my Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip, and this is the shade In Chill. I did feature this in my recent Colourpop haul, so you can go check that out. And there you have it, guys. This is the completed look. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. My new goal is 300 subscribers. Comment down below what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I do not care. Leave some suggestions below on what videos I should make next. And that's all I have to say. Happy Easter, guys. Again, get me to 300 subscribers. And I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.